Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on My Details. You will then see your Details section where you will see your contact details as well as your login email. Now, alongside contact details, click on the Edit button and you will see your primary email. If you have added other emails to your account by using the plus section underneath your email, then you will also see the secondary email, alongside which there will also be a change button. Just type in the email address that you wish to change and then click on the change button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So just log into your email address and you will find an email from Gumtree. Once you click on the link within, you will be allowed to enter your desired new email address. After entering your desired new email address and proceeding forward, you will also be asked to check the inbox of this new email address. After checking the inbox and clicking on the link within on the new email address, your email will successfully be changed. And now you can use this new email address along with your original password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.